In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use PMT function in Excel. Today, you will set up a simple loan calculation sheet and use Excel to compute the monthly payment instantly. If you have ever wondered how to translate an annual interest rate, a loan term in months, and a loan amount into one monthly number, the PMT function is designed for exactly that. First, open Excel and click into cell A1. Type the words loan details in cell A1. This is just a clear heading for the rows you are about to create, and it helps you keep the spreadsheet organized while you work. Next, move to cell B1 and type the word values in cell B1. Now your sheet should have a neat two-column structure, with labels on the left and the numbers you will enter on the right. After that, you are ready to enter the loan information labels. Fill rows A2 through A4 with 3 labels: annual interest rate, loan term months, and loan amount. As you type each label, keep an eye on the row positions, so the labels line up with the numbers you will enter in column B. This alignment matters because the PMT formula will reference those values in column B. Now we will enter the actual loan inputs. In cell B2, type 0.06. In cell B3, type 60. In cell B4, type 30000. Take a moment to verify that you placed each value in the correct cell. The annual interest rate is entered as a decimal value, which is why 0.06 represents 6%. The loan term is in months, so 60 means 5 years. The loan amount is the principal value, which is 30000 in this example. Next, you will create space for the output. Move to cell A6 and type monthly payment. This label tells you what the calculation result will represent. It also gives the sheet a clean structure: inputs above and the computed result below. Now you are going to select the cell where Excel should display the computed monthly installment. Click cell B6. With cell B6 selected, you are ready to type the PMT formula. This is the moment where Excel does the real math for you, so take your time to enter it exactly. In cell B6, type the code =PMT B2/12, B3 minus B4. After you type the formula, press enter on your keyboard. As soon as you press enter, Excel will calculate and display the monthly payment in cell B6 right away. It is worth understanding what the pieces of the formula mean while you are looking at the result. PMT calculates a fixed payment based on a periodic interest rate, the number of periods, and the loan amount. The formula uses B2 divided by 12 because your interest input is annual, but payments are monthly. It uses B3 as the number of months in the loan term. It uses B4 to ensure the sign works out correctly for a cash flow style result, so the payment shows as a value you would typically pay each month. Once you see the number in cell B6, you have successfully used the PMT function. You can change B2, B3, or B4 to test different loan scenarios, and Excel will update the monthly payment immediately. That flexibility is one of the main reasons PMT is so useful. And that covers everything you need to know.